Here's some threading the needle trivia. Subscribe. What is the part of the sewing machine that holds the needle? Is it A, presser foot, B, needle clamp, C, bobbin case, or D, throat plate? The correct answer is B, needle clamp. Which technique involves passing threads through fabric? Is it A, knitting, B, crocheting, C, stitching, or D, quilting? The correct answer is C, stitching. What device pushes fabric through a machine? Is it A, fabric roller, B, sewing needle, C, thread guide, or D, presser foot? The correct answer is D, presser foot. Which needle type is designed for leather? Is it A, embroidery needle, B, sewing needle, C, quilting needle, or D, leather needle? The correct answer is D, leather needle. Which term describes a needle's groove? Is it A, point, B, nib, C, quill, or D, shaft? The correct answer is C, quill. What type of thread is often used for basting? Is it A, basting thread, B, elastic thread, C, silk thread, or D, nylon thread? The correct answer is A, basting thread. Which sewing machine component moves fabric forward? Is it A, needle, B, bobbin, C, presser foot, or D, feed dog? The correct answer is D, feed dog. What specialized needle is used for quilting? Is it A, embroidery needle, B, darning needle, C, sewing needle, or D, quilting needle? The correct answer is D, quilting needle. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.